What's up, good people? In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to make some vegetarian spaghetti. Now, I did add some cheese in the end, but that's up to you and your belly. Once your veggies are chopped up, add them to a hot pan with some oil and start to saute them up. Make sure you add a little bit of salt. This prevents the onions from burning. I am allowing all of the water to cook out of the mushrooms so that it could be a little bit not crunchy, but just not as like soggy. And I just added some seasoning. So you always season as you go, y'all. When it looks like this, add your jar and canned ingredients. Being in the kitchen is about experimenting. Do not be afraid to add those walnuts. Add salt to your boiling water before adding the pasta. This prevents it from sticking and it'll come out phenomenal every single time. This is my new secret. Fresh basil and a couple spoons of sugar.
And spaghetti?
I feel like a lot of people are a little bit nervous to use fresh herbs and ingredients in the kitchen. Don't be. This basil was only $2.99 at Trader Joe's. Make sure you're going to stores that have good deals so you're not wasting your money and you don't want things to go to waste. The last thing that I add off the ingredient list is hot sauce. Just add a little dab, like a little dab of ranch, but not too much or you're going to be looking like this. Sweating bullets while eating your spaghetti is not the way. Take your time while cooking and taste it as you go. That way you can see what you need to add or alter. And remember, if it's too salty, add a little vegetable broth.
Salt bay.
Extra seasoning.
So
Let me tell y'all, when y'all make this for your family, your friends, your partner, whoever, they are going to be shook that this is a vegetarian spaghetti that tastes so freaking fire. The mushrooms and there's walnuts in there.
there's walnuts in here?
Yep.
Where?
You can't tell that I chopped them up.
Wow, there's... She really looking for them. Where?
Can't tell.
They good, ain't they? It's good, ain't it? It's good, ain't it? Best you ever had. There's no meat in here? I'm not vegan. I'm not vegan.
Big bite's ugly.
Yo, she's about to crush it. I'm about to eat 2 bowls for real. I'm starving.